eyes open for along the way.
Nemo!
Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science, there's so much to know.
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Larry.
Stop playing games!
I love games. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Yeah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloon.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
all right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
I love games. Look, I'm scared now.
You're not helping!
Neener, neener, neener. Oh yeah, too fast for you.
Stop fooling around!
Your friends for food. I wonder if clownfish taste funny.
Stop fooling around!
Nemo, why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what I'd give for a little bite. Clownfish, where are you? Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce. More saltner, mate. Fish are friends for food. Delicious friends. I wonder if clownfish taste funny. Nemo, why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what I'd give for a little bite. Clownfish, where are you? Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce. More saltner, mate. Fish are friends for food. I wonder if clownfish taste
Kiss offspring! Awesome! Check out the little garden! Come on, explorers!
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Yes, you are, Nemo!
It's me.
I'm gonna go explore in the big blue world.
So much to discover!
I've never seen before.
Totally, dude!
So many creatures swimming around the sea. In the big blue world. And all of them are out there for me.
That's what I'm afraid of!
In the big blue world. With all our friends. I love friends. The big blue world.
Find a happy place, find a happy place, find a happy place. Did you ever guess what the 18,000
I guess it's
Life is a big blue